Hello everyone, I am K. Rajesh from CSE C section. Today I am here to speak about Google Web. Content. What is Google Web? Google Web features, terms used in Google Web, Google Web extensions. What's in it for marketers? What is Google Web? Online tool for real-time communication and collaboration, combines aspects of email, instant messaging, web chat, social networking, project management. Google Web under the hood, written in Java using the OpenJDK. Each wave is a hosted XML document uses XMPP protocol. The technology operational transformation. Live concurrent editing. Client and server is in the same state. Live and concurrent conversation, hence no waiting. A single server holds all your data. No worries over a client crash, can still fetch it. Wave terminologies. Wave, a specific threaded conversation. Wavelet, subset of a large conversation. Blit, a single individual message smaller than a wavelet. Document, refers to the content within a blit. Extension, mini application that works within a wave. Google Wave features: real time, character by character, embeddability. Waves, wave, Waves can be embedded on any blog or websites. Applications and extensions. Anything from bots to complex real time games. Drag and drop files sharing. No attachments, just drag and drop. Wiki functionality. Playback. Playback any part of the wave to see what we said. Open source. To, fo- to foster innovation and adoption amongst developers. Google Wave extensions. Gadgets. Gadgets are specific to individual waves, not users, unlike a Facebook gadget. Almost any iGoogle and open social gadget can run within Google Wave. A gadget built within Google Wave can take advantages of live interaction with multiple users. Robots, automated participant in a wave, talk with users, interact with waves, provide information from outside sources, check content within a wave. Wave embeds, places and converted wave on onto your website or blog. Gadgets versus robots. Gadgets, robot run run on application servers and interacts with the wave over a protocol. Each robot may in intensive and most one intense per wave. Remember that a robot is like a participant on a wave. So each participant or robot is a unique instance, but a wave can have many participants or robots. Robots may modify a wave and perform the same operations as a human participants. Robots can modify a gadget runs within the wave client itself. Each gadget may have multiple instances per wave, one of each participants interacting with the gadget. Gadgets are not able to modify a wave and have limited variability into a wave. A gadget is only able to detect changes in the wave participants. Gadgets have no way to know that the robots exist and thus are not able to modify a robot. Some existing gadgets and robots. Some gadgets, yes or no or maybe. Ribbit Web Conference. Maps allows for collaboration on the Google Map. Robots. Debuggy, Stooky, Tweety, Polly. I Google gadgets overviews. A public wave. Making a wave public. Add public.a@google.com googlewave.com to your wave. Add relevant tags to the page to make it searchable. Let the wave speak. Natural language, auto-correct your spelling and auto-translate on the fly. Add ant.rosie @appspot.com to your wave. As you type, the tool will translate your text to over 40 languages. Google Gadgets on to go. Google Wave for Business, BPM Project Management. Gravity for SAP. Gravity Gravity is a prototype developed by SAP Research, leverages on Google Wave collaborative power for processing modeling. The final model can be imported into the SAP BPM for further refinement and execution. Align Space, Technology and Community. Combine social networking tools with intuitive tools for processing, design, and modeling. Collaborate efficiently and improving processes. Create models that can be exported and run within BPM engine. About Regalix, forefront of online marketing research and Web 2.0 portals, multidisciplinary leadership teams, Fortune 500 and venture backward customers, B2B and B2C, global operations, HQ in Silicon Valley, 4 offices, 150 plus teams built on 8 plus years of research. Recognition. Conclusion. Google Wave is a new communication service previewed today at Google Input Output. A wave is equal parts communication and document, where people can communicate and work together with richly formatted text, photos, videos, maps, and more. The service seems to combine Gmail and Google Documents into a interesting free from workspace that could be used to write documents collaboratively, play events, play games, and discuss a recent news. Thank you.